uyazi umnaka broadcast show morning drive khumbula ukuthi sinama-drive la drive afethu sine-morning drive bese soba ne-afternoon drive ne-evening drive mfethu but funa ukutshela kumfowethu ukuthi evening drive ngasikhipha khona kakhulu mfowethu from Monday to Thursday mfowethu la ngithi khona mfowethu wena you have the right to choose your beautiful song or your beautiful music bese ngidlalela wona live on air mfowethu umamela usho uthi mfowethu shaya kamnandi inkomo mfowethu mnaka uyadlala music mfowethu asiphinde sibonaneni ngalokhu sakumfowethu mina ngihambile mfowethu konjani
Siyaphila njani futhi?
siyaphila mfowethu igama lami uDr Ntwana kaMsithini this is my second umnaka broadcast show la sikhona khona futhi ngisendaweni yasethembisa today nginomo brother la uzochazela ukuthi ubani igama lakhe mfowethu wenza in life for living yeah mfowethu igama
Ngibona
lakhe
abafowethu igama impeshempeshe inkonyane kandaba. Mina mfowethu ngumuntu oyishaya music, ngu DJ, ngiyagida, ngiyajive, ayikho into engayenzi bafowethu.
yeah
La ngidinga khona uzongithola.
Yeah.
Mangise stage.
alright so ngicela ukubuza what kind of music lo shaya ngomara wena
My brother mina ngishaya umaskandi, ngishaya afro pop, ngishaya hip hop, ngishaya i-private school piano. Wena ungasesha lapha ku YouTube uthi Mpesh 1632. Ha ngiyakutshela ukuthi i-private school piano elinzima. Yazi ngishaya kanjani? Mixa i-private school piano ne-jazz.
yeah
Yangithola.
private school
Ngimixa
piano
i-private school piano ne-jazz.
yeah so awungitshele ukwenza umculo ngicela nini
Mina ukwenza umculo ngiqale late 2016.
Oqala 2016
2016
so
mina.
but so far have you ever been ukuthi uyenda onesizwa uyaperforma khona
Yeah, I've been to places where ubonana nawe ukuthi no kuyathembisa, it's promising, yabo.
yeah
Because one thing for sure, njenini njengamanje nge-26 September there's an event Emperor's Palace in Kempton Park Airport.
yeah
I'll be there. Ngizobe ngenza into yami engidume ngayo.
yeah manje awungitshela like for example uma performa like endaweni esingaphandle so something like yini into oyidemanda wena oyifuna kibo like uma perform endaweni esingaphandle like ufuna transport ufuna bakubhatara or ufuna yini angazi
Yabona mostly baba wami mina ngi-artist elisavuka, i-artist elisapusha ekhaya ngithola.
yeah
I would do transport mostly. Transport.
Yeah.
Into ebalekile kimi ukuthi ngifike endaweni yakho.
okay
Ngithola because njengamanje nami ngiyaphusha la ngiphusha khona but uyazi na ukuze ufike endaweni or ukwazi ukwenza izinto zakho. Eish, chelete iyadingeka.
manje awungitshele like abantu let's say mhlamba abantu bakufuna bazokuthola kuphi
You can get me ku social media on my Mpesh 1632 Mpesh.
yeah
But on Facebook bathi Mpesh,
Yeah.
TikTok Mpesh, YouTube Mpesh 1632.
Yeah.
Ila wangithola khona baba wami.
yeah alright so i-WhatsApp awunayo like uthi mhlambe ku-WhatsApp bangakubamba bakhuluma nawe khona
Oh, it's 078
078
318
318
6047.
6047 inamba yakho ya-WhatsApp
Yini
lapho
number yami
ngithola.
yaku-WhatsApp ngana.
Alright asibonge bafethu ukhuluma namfethu uthi ungamthola mfethu ku-WhatsApp mfethu futhi ungamthola naku-TikTok una-TikTok
TikTok, Facebook, like social media platforms.
Yeah.
Yangithola, Threads,
yeah
Twitter, Facebook, name them.
yeah
Yangithola.
yeah
Yabo.
sure hayi siyabonga mfowethu ukukhuluma nawe mfowethu this is my service TikTok umnaka broadcast show bengisakhuluma lana no4 wasethembisa
1630.
32 bafethu
Uyalazi
awu
udaba,
madoda
umnaka.
awukwenza maphela kuphela amazinyo ndoda
Yazini.
this is Johannesburg mfowethu Gauteng province mfowethu danko mfowethu mina ngisahamba sophinde ngimbone for a second time danke my brother
Danko.
Hola.